it's Kimberly Lucht, and today I want to teach you how to do an egg limpieza, an egg cleansing in English, something that's pretty common in a lot of different countries in Latin America, but also in different shamanic traditions from around the world. And so all you need to do this is an egg and a cup of water. Ideally, the egg is going to be room temperature, but it's okay if it's not. I've done it even if it's not room temperature. But what you're going to do is take your egg, just like this. And so you can pause this and then come back when you're ready if you want to try this out, or you can just watch me do it the first time. And what you'll do is pass it all around your body. Like pasar el huevo is the kind of phrase that we use in Spanish. But you know, in English, it's like pass the egg. It feels a little like not the right phrase I would use for it, but rub the egg all over your body pretty much. So you're gonna have the egg touch major energy centers around your body, so like third eye. You can even do the crown. I have a crown on, so this one's a little like but crown, third eye. You're gonna like, I'm not gonna rub it all over my face because I got my YouTube makeup on, but your chest, kind of rubbing it around your chest, your throat chakra, almost as if you were like sponge bathing but with an egg. And so go ahead and do that with me if you're joining me for this, or you can just watch me rub an egg all over my body. You can use circles or just linear rubs. Either one is fine, whatever you feel called or guided towards. Going towards the solar plexus and below your sacral and maybe even your root chakra. Staying in any position that you feel like needs a little extra love. So for me, I'm gonna do some here, some extra cleansing here, and some extra cleansing here. And you can even do it like around your knees or any body parts that you feel like need a little extra love as well. Even though some of the lower body parts aren't necessarily major energy centers, a lot of energy flows through there, and they're definitely linked to the meridians in Chinese medicine and many other different practices of healing energetically. So literally rub it anywhere you feel needs it. And you might be like yawning it out a little bit as you do this. Your nervous system is just shifting and changing, and that's totally fine. Okay, and so finishing up with whatever you're doing, giving it one last rub, maybe in the back too. That can be really good. It's great to have a partner for this, but it's okay if you don't. Okay, so what you're gonna take, or I guess what you're gonna do with this egg now, you're gonna take your cup of water, and I'm gonna crack it here. I don't know if you can see this. Well, I think you can kind of see this. Okay, so you're cracking it, and then we're gonna put it in the cup. And so what I want you to do is take a look at your egg, and it's interesting because there's always something new that comes out. So I don't know if you can see this, but for mine, there's little like peaks of energy. It's clear this time. Sometimes it'll be, and it just fell, but sometimes there'll be like whiteness or bubbles. Do you see this? I hope you can see this. If not, that's okay. You can try on your own and see what comes out. But basically, you're gonna kind of see what's going on energetically with the egg. Usually, the egg would have pretty much no whiteness at all unless it's being cooked. But I've seen eggs that have come out basically white and cooked. And so it's interesting to see what comes out every time, because every time it feels like a new thing. There was like little strings of energy up here at the top that fell down shortly after I picked up the cup. And so I don't know if you were able to see that, but it's so interesting to see kind of how it all bundles down here now with little like white bubbly type things. And so the way that you would read this is if it's like white, I would do another one. Like I would do another limpieza. If it's, moderately white, maybe like a little whiter than this, you could do another one if you feel called to, but it's okay. A lot of energy is stored in our bodies, and so it's okay to have some white come out. But just looking at it, notice how it feels to look at it. Does it feel a little, I don't know, like a little, oh, it's a little scary looking, or it's really spidery, or it's really white? If any of that kind of comes up for you, know that it's okay. Like the egg is here to kind of clear all that energy away, and there's no good or bad energy in the end. It's just a matter of density. And so There's dense energy, and then there's more open energy is how I see it. And so the egg is picking up on energy that's maybe a little tighter or denser than we would like it to be and helping us clear it out. So give one last look at your egg once you're done with this, and then you're gonna throw it down into the toilet. And so if you have a bathroom nearby, it'd be wise to put it down the toilet. You're not gonna eat this, you're not gonna drink it. Any raw egg drinkers out there? Nope, not this one. You're just gonna flush it down the toilet and let it go on its merry way. The reason being is you don't necessarily wanna be eating stuff that picked up on your energy and is trying to help you flush it out. You don't wanna like put it back in your body again. And so that's why we wouldn't poach this egg after a limpieza. Go and pour it down the toilet or down another drain and you're good to go. I hope this helps. I'm curious to see what your eggs look like. So if you're on Instagram, you can find me at Kimberly Lucht. I wanna see see what's come up for you. And if you have any questions about this, of course, the comments in the comment section below, I read them, respond to them. I'd love to hear your questions. I'm here as a guide for your egg limpieza journey. And if you love this stuff, I think you'd really, really love my program, The Queen Bee Hive. It's a perfect mix of soul and strategy. And we do practices like this in the very beginning to kind of ground us all into the energy of the group, and then jump into stuff with your business, and how to grow your business, how to make more money, and all of the beautiful things that come with having a business. It's the best of both worlds. And so if you feel called, the link to apply is in the description below, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. Until next time, thanks for watching. Ciao for now.